Hi, this is Java Craving and welcome to my new Java tutorial in which I will show you how to create MP3 player application. I will show you how to handle audio with JavaFX, MP3 files in particular. Moreover, we will learn how to use JavaFX properties. Properties are very useful. And we will use JavaFX styles to make our application look interesting. So this is some good stuff here. Now let's go ahead and see our application. So in the bottom right corner you can see our interface. Interesting is that our player is minimized to system tray after clicking X. It is not closed. If you want to close this application, you have to right click this icon and hit exit. So this is our regular MP3 player interface. We have previous and next buttons, button for playing and stopping the song. We can modify volume and song progress. Nothing new here. Let's go ahead and show me why is this MP3 player so special. At least I believe it is special. Alright, so let me load songs. They should be right there. So I'm gonna play a song and boom! Now that's interesting. Another user interface which appears after a new song is about to be played. After a few seconds it fades away. You can stop the fading by moving the mouse over this toolbar. As long as your mouse will be there, it won't hide. We can change songs from this place, and we can also change our volume. We are using a mouse scroll to do this. So I believe this is very cool and I can't wait to show you how to create this application. I am very excited and I hope you too. So let's go ahead to the summary of this video. I create all the source code from scratch in the videos. The source code will be available to download after I finish the course, so if you want ready to run code, you have to wait. I will add one video every week. However, there is a way to speed this tutorial up. At the end of every video, I will set like and comment limit. And if you guys hit this limit, I will reveal new videos. For this video, I set 30 likes and 10 comments limit. Tell me what do you think about this new application. Give me an idea for a new one. Write me some advice or just tell how cool is to watch my tutorials. Guys, see you in the next videos.